We live in Izmir and heading to Bodrum, a beautiful seaside resort town in Turkey. Bodrum on low season, literally in March, offers a quieter, more relaxed experience with fewer crowds and potentially better weather than rainy months of November to February, making it a good time to explore the area. The weather in March is usually moderately chilly and breezy, with plenty of sunny days and temperatures ranging from 12 to 17 degrees. This doesn't stop locals and experts from enjoying beautiful sunsets on the beach. Bodrum's early beginnings were quite modest, especially compared to what it is today. Once known as a sleepy fishing village in the 70s, Bodrum has slowly but surely transformed into Saint-Tropez of Turkey over the years. These days you will find a massive marina filled with expensive yachts, luxury stores and whitewash houses lining cobble streets. Many professionals from Istanbul bought summer homes in Bodrum, earning its nickname Little Istanbul. Bodrum's history dates back to the 10th century BC, when the city was known as Halicarnassus and inhabited by the Dorian Greeks. It was later ruled by the Persians, Alexander the Great, the Romans, the Byzantines and the Ottomans. During Crusader control it was known as Petronium, from which the modern name of Bodrum is derived. A main feature of Bodrum is the Castle of St. Peter, which was constructed in the early 15th century by the Order of Knights of St. John and was ruled by them for almost 120 years, until the conquest of Rhodes by Suleiman the Magnificent. In Ottoman period, the Bodrum Castle was used as a small garrison base and later was transformed into a prison. During the First World War, the castle was bombed by a French battleship. This caused a great damage to the castle. The prisoners were moved inland and the castle was evacuated. Then the Italians invaded Bodrum and they posted their soldiers at the castle and used it as their headquarters. Following the success of the Turkish War of Independence, the Italian military forces were dispersed. During the Second World War, the castle was yet again used as a military base, but it was evacuated at the end of the war. The Bodrum Castle preserves its original plan and character of Knights period and represents Gothic architecture. A transnational effort, it has 4 towers, known as the English, French, German and Italian towers, bearing the names of the nations responsible for their construction. Today we have a personal peacock guide who takes us around the castle and to the Museum of Underwater Archaeology, which is unique in Turkey and one of the most significant underwater archaeology museums in the world. It's the biggest museum of its kind, with a collection of amphoras, ancient glass, bronze, clay and iron items. There is an interesting exhibit found in Athena Sanctuary dates back to the 5th century BC. The eyelids are made of bronze and the scleras are made of thin white marbled. Colored glass is used for inner parts, blue for pupils and green for iris. A short walk from Bodrum Castle takes us to another ancient attraction, the Theatre of Halicarnassus. Built under the hillside rock in the 4th century BC, it originally seated 5,000 spectators, but its capacity was increased to 13,000 for gladiatorial contest in the 3rd century AD. It still hosts concerts and other events in summer. For the best vistas of Bodrum, head to the peninsula on the west side of town, which is crowned by 7 old windmills perched on the hillside. They are a symbol of the region and represent the traditional way of grinding grain. Their construction dates back to the 18th and 19th centuries, during the time when the region was under the rule of the Ottoman Empire. The windmills were an important part of the local economy, providing flour for the villages. The city is small, walkable and easy to navigate, with just enough nooks and alleys to keep you wandering the streets during your week-long holiday. From the glitzy marina to the quaint cobbled streets of the shopping area, the multitude of restaurants, bars, shops and cultural events make this location a year-round destination. If you enjoyed watching this video, I encourage you to subscribe, click like and hit notification bell button to get updated of the new releases.